looking to add fruit trees or anything edible, most of those plants need a lot of sun. They need space to grow. Carambola, starfruit, or guava is a great starter plant. They both grow very quickly. They both have pretty drought tolerant, but they can handle a lot of water. They're attractive trees. They're fragrant. Another good starter would be avocado. It's incredibly easy to grow. Just give it a lot of water and space to grow and it'll explode. Know your plants, know your water requirements, know kind of the soils especially. Certain things like citrus don't like to be mulched in, that can kill them. Kind of just ask around and weigh your options. There's a lot of edible plants. Sometimes you have to pick and choose.